This is a simple tutorial how to change the charging base circuit in the Samsung Note 3 mobile. Nowadays, mobile repairing is an easy task. Just drop and replace the circuit and mobile is fixed. You don't need high-level electronics to fix the things. Just you need correct tools to open a mobile. Once you open a mobile, rest of the things are easy. I buy almost all the things for mobile repairing like scope, heat gun, tweezer, special SMD soldering iron, special SMD soldering paste. For a mobile repairing, you need all the tools. I will create more tutorial mobile repairing videos on my YouTube channel Smartfill. This is one of my first smartphone mobile. That was using one of my colleague and I buy from him. So I have a lot of memories with that mobile. I play lot of PUBG mobile and Lords mobile on that phone. Mobile is on. ميزنا الله بقرآن يعصمنا إن غصنا مال إن مهمتنا في الدنيا ندعو لله بإذلال ميزنا الله بقرآن يعصمنا إن غصنا مال إن مهمتنا في الدنيا ندعو لله بإذلال ولذا أشعلنا مصباحا ومضينا روما. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel Smartfill, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon to see the latest videos.